It's shimmy time. Today's tutorial, we're going to be doing shimmies, and shimmies are so important. I think it's one of the most often used movements. We use it to translate the drums, the tabla, the derbeki, the kanun, the vibrations for accents. Today is a daily practice. It's a drill. You can use it every single day to build up your shimmy technique, to build your layers, so you can find the different techniques to use. We're going to be doing Egyptian shimmy, hip shimmy, and traveling steps. So use this daily, and I hope that you find this practice valuable, and I hope you use it every single day. Enjoy. Hi there. Welcome back to Together We Move Forward. Today we're going to be doing a super mega powerful shimmy drill, and before we get right to it, I'm just going to give you a couple of quick tips for your shimmies. Feet are going to be parallel, about hip distance apart. You want to keep those heels connected to the earth, really important. So you don't want to lift forward. Keep the weight equally between the balls of your feet and the heels. Abs are pulled in, and you're just going to bend and straighten equally from your quadriceps. So make sure you're not leaning forward with bent knees or arching your back. Abs are pulled in, belly button to the spine. Legs are moving front and back. And you want to control that by keeping the abs pulled in. That's going to help protect your knees and your back. So you're going to push bigger and slower. We're going to do some weight changes. We're going to lift up the feet, take a walk around. So we're going to do our Egyptian shimmy with legs, then we're going to also do our hip shimmy. So just super easy. You already know this one. Bend the knees, belly button in, soften the hips, and just lift from those obliques. So legs are engaged, but really think about working from the obliques. So we're going to do hip shimmy. We're going to come up onto the balls of our feet. We're going to take a walk with it. So we're just going to have fun, improvisation. Just follow along the best you can and keep your shimmy going no matter what happens. Just keep your shimmy going. Here we go. Let's get started. Get those legs going. And push. Add a little side to side. Rock it side to side. Lift one heel, keep both legs going. Stay here. Other side. Back heel is lifted. Add those arms. Back to center. Shoulder rolls. Good. Keep that shimmy going. We're going to go chest lift. Good. And chest circle. Change. Good. Plie. Add those hips. Obliques. Belly button in. Front and back. Change sides. Front back. Good. And hip shimmy. Take a walk. Keep going. Take a walk. Good. And up on the balls of your feet. Front back. Change sides. those legs straight, abs are pulled in. Have fun. Get a little bit loose in the upper body. Side. And side. And side. Take a step. Keep the legs going. Side. 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 Up on the toes. Hip shimmy. Get your choo-choo going. Take it back. Take it back. Thank you so much for joining me for today's shimmy drill. I hope I got you sweating. I hope I got you moving. And I hope I challenged you today. I'll be posting more tutorials. So we'll see you soon online. See you soon. Bye.